Hi friends, welcome to S-Tube. Many of you would have experienced visibility issues while driving on low light conditions or on a busy highway without a median. It is always preferred to have a fog lamp while you drive in such conditions. In earlier days, fog lamps were part of accessory and now it is default and part of the mid-variant model itself. But still the problem may exist and you might need to upgrade to a higher power fog lamp. This video is for such a requirement. Come on, let's get into the video soon. Projector fog lamp is one of the solutions to overcome this issue. As the light is lit through a projector lens, the beam is focused and gives you an enhanced vision. I have brought here IPH projector fog lamp which is available easily in the market. I bought this from an accessory shop in Delhi and this comes with an HID bulb kit including the ballast and the HID bulb as a color variant of 6000K. The kit itself comes with a ballast. So the ballast that is used to light up the HID bulbs, right? So the kit itself is coming with a ballast, so you do not buy anything separately. And all these wires are plug and play, so you need not worry about the warranty part also. Coming to the projector. The projector itself is built with a high quality and this has a shutter mechanism inside the projector to guide the light through. With the help of this shutter, the output of the fog lamp can be used as dim or bright. As you see, there are two wires, so these wires can be connected directly to the headlight. So when you turn on the bright mode on the headlight, right, so automatically the shutter will be turned on and the throw would be on your brighter side of the view. So that is how it is working. And then you have the clamps. So this fog lamp is kind of an universal kit, and with the help of the clamps, right, you can try to fit into whatever vehicle you wanted. So they have given multiple clamps that would fix to multiple positions. And coming to the box shows the different variant of the light streams, and then the wiring that on just to show how the wiring will take place, or how you want to make the wiring to make the fog lamps work. And it also shows some few optional product modules. And then this particular fog lamp is IP67 protected, so it is a waterproof one. Only thing is that you need to make the proper insulation on the wiring front. Now let's see how I try to put this fog lamp into my Ertiga. So I just remove the bumper. So after removing the bumper, we try to fit in this fog lamp by removing the original one. So as you can see, I have used the clamps. So I have used a kind of a C-shaped clamp to fit into the original screws. So I didn't do any specific modification, just the cover is removed and then we try to put into it. So that's it. So as you can see, the light is very good. It is a kind of a white light, and you can see the throw of the light. So the throw of the light was very good. Even I have tried driving without the headlights, so it is very good. And you can also see the switching. So when I put the bright mode, or when I do a flash on the headlight, right, automatically the shutter gets on, and the fog lamp is trying to it's trying to come on to the upper position. So I'm very much satisfied with this fog lamp, and for the cost, which is also including the HID kit, right, I think it is a good deal. Maybe you can also try putting one, though it is not affecting the warranty and you are not trying to alter any wires, and for sure it gives you a good clarity on the roads. As you can see, now I am driving with just the fog lamp, so you can see on a dark road, right, you can see how the vision is like. You can also try putting maybe 8000K of HID light in this fog lamp if at all you want more light, but for me the 6000 itself is sufficient. I got this from one of a friend who is running an accessory shop in Delhi for 6,500 rupees, including the HID, but I had to pay the shipping extra to the courier. But even though if I do that also, that is a good deal for me. And yeah, this fits in most of the cars like Ertiga, Swift, Creta and all. So maybe you can give it a try and try to have a comfortable drive. Hope you would have liked this video. Please share this video among your friends who's looking for some good stuff to enhance the road visibility at nights. Give this video a thumbs up, and any feedbacks or clarification, please feel free to drop it on the comment section, and I would be happy enough to answer that. Thanks once again, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to STube and click on the bell icon to receive any instant notification. See you soon with another good video, and until then, bye bye.